Hello everyone, welcome to TNV Academy, your trusted source for insights on ISO standards, environmental management and sustainable business practices. Today we are exploring the essential tools and techniques for effective environmental data collection. Accurate data is the backbone of any environmental performance evaluation, that is EPE system, enabling organizations to monitor, assess and improve their environmental performance. Importance of environmental data collection. Collecting reliable environmental data is crucial for tracking progress toward environmental objectives, identifying areas for improvement, ensuring compliance with environmental regulations, informing the stakeholders and decision makers. Key tools for environmental data collection. Let's dive into some of the primary tools used in environmental data collection. Monitoring equipment. Devices such as air quality monitors, water testing kits, and noise level meters provide real-time data on environmental parameters. Data loggers. These electronic devices record environmental data over time, useful for tracking changes and trends. Remote sensing technology. Satellites and drones equipped with sensors can collect data on large-scale environmental conditions, such as deforestation or water pollution. Geographic Information System, that is GIS. GIS tools help in mapping and analyzing spatial environmental data, aiding in visualizing patterns and relationships. Techniques for effective data collection. Implementing the right techniques ensures the accuracy and reliability of collected data. Sampling. Collecting representative samples of air, water, or soil to analyze environmental quality. Surveys and questionnaires. Gathering information from stakeholders about environmental practices and perceptions. Observational studies. Systematic observation of environmental conditions and behaviors. Automated monitoring. Using sensors and LOT devices for continuous data collection and real-time monitoring. Data management and analysis. Once data is collected, it is essential to manage and analyze it effectively. Data storage. Utilize databases and cloud storage solutions to securely store environmental data. Data analysis software. Employ statistical and analytical tools to interpret data, identify trends, and make informed decisions. Reporting tools. Generate reports and dashboards to communicate findings to stakeholders and guide environmental strategies. So, employing the right tools and techniques for environmental data collection is vital for effective environmental management. It enables organizations to make data-driven decisions, improve environmental performance, and achieve sustainability goals. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to TNV Academy for more insights on ISO standards and sustainable practices. So, don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.